How to make a Facebook business page quick and easy. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at how you can create your own Facebook business page. So let's get into it. Now, the first thing you're just going to do to get started is to log on to your Facebook account. And from here, what you're going to do is you're going to click on the top right over here, which is the menu. And from this menu, you can simply click on page over here and begin creating your business page. So from here, we're going to enter our business name, which will be our page name. So let's say that I have a business where I sell cosmetics or something along those lines. So let's say the business name that I have is maybe it's Lash Grow. So let's say that is the name of my business, and I'm just going to add beauty, cosmetic, and personal care as the category, and you can add multiple categories as well. Now, below that, you're going to add the description for your page. So the description for your page needs to be something about your business or about your brand. So you can see over here, I've added a simple little description. It's about the business, what the business is about, what kind of content or what kind of product are you creating, whatever the business is about. If you're providing a service, talk about the service, and when it was established, you can add that as well. And once you have done that, you're gonna just click on create page. Now, these are just the three basic things: your name, the category, and the description. From here, we're actually going to begin building our page. So once we have done that, we can now begin editing our page, and for that we can just go into our menu section, click on pages over here. I'm just going to refresh so my page appears. So you can see now I have my page. Now once my page has been created, now I'm just going to leave this, but once my page has been created, you can see over here the page is empty currently. It has nothing set up. It is just a simple page. So what I'm actually going to do is, first off, you need to create the banner and the PFP for your page. That is very important for any Facebook business page. So for this, just head on over to Canva. So to create the cover photo of your Facebook account, of your Facebook business page, and the PFP, you can use a simple tool called Canva. You just have to register on Canva's webpage, and once you have registered on Canva, just go into the search bar and type in Facebook cover. And this will show you Facebook cover. So just select that template over here, and they will show you multiple different templates that you can get started with, or you can even create a blank canvas and display your own product or customize it yourself. So I'm just opening up this blank canvas over here. I'm going to go into the elements section. I'm going to search for a lash serum, and I'm just taking this image over here, and I'm just going to copy and paste it like so, and just multi-select it. And once you click on these three dots, you can also just click on group, and you can also click on position. You can click on top, middle, or let's say top, left, or center. We want it to be centered. And what we're going to do, I'm going to ungroup these, and I'm just going to make sure they're all aligned. So I'm just going to go on ahead and align these a little. 154. Once I've aligned these, I'm just going to place them over here. And now below that, I'm just going to go into the text section, or I'm just going to go into my templates over here. So I'm just going to go on ahead and go back and make sure everything is nice and organized. And now I'm going to go into my text section, add a simple little heading section over here. So now over here, I've added my simple little text, and I'm just going to expand the font size a little because I want the font to be larger. And I'm just going to place this right at the center of my screen. And now I'm just going to increase the size. And now I'm going to change the background into a simple little pinkish color. And now I'm going to click on share. I'm going to click on download and download this as a PNG. And once I've downloaded this, I can simply click on edit over here on my Facebook cover photo, click on choose from photos, and I can just simply click on upload photo over here. I'm going to upload the photo that I just created like so, and I'm just waiting for this to be uploaded. And you can see over here that I have uploaded this little image over here. So I'm going to click on save changes, and just like that, my PFP has been uploaded. Now once I've done that, I can also create my Facebook cover image, which is my profile picture. This is super essential because this is going to represent your business. You need to make sure it has to be a interesting logo or something along those lines. So you can also go back into the home section on Canva and search for Facebook profile. So Facebook profile picture, just search for that, and you can see there are multiple different templates, and instead of a image of yourself, you can just simply add your own logo over here. So whatever your logo might be, you can add that over here. So I'm just going to delete this image from the grid, go into the element section, and I'm just going to search for lashes. So I'm just taking this image over here, and I have just added this into the grid, and now I'm going to click on share, click on download, and now I'm just going to download this image, go back into my Facebook account, and I'm going to upload my image. So I'm going to click on edit profile picture, upload photo, and upload this photo that I have just created using Canva. I'm just going to open this up, and there are a few key things that you need to keep in mind whenever you are trying to build your Facebook business page. First off is to keep a aesthetic in mind. So whatever is going to be the overarching theme of your Facebook profile or your business, you need to make sure that all of your posts are cohesive. So if I'm going with a certain color scheme or with a certain look, then you need to make sure it's cohesive. Now, once you've done that, you can begin creating pages, you can begin promoting your page. Now, what I would recommend is that you go on ahead and enter in your about information. So you're going to link your website over here, enter any physical location you might have, enter a phone number that people can contact your business on. If you have a physical location, enter your store hours as well as your email address. These are essential things that you must add on your Facebook business profile to make sure that it seems as legitimate as it is. So once you have added all this information, you can begin curating your Facebook posts. You can begin curating and creating your business posts, and regarding, sales, try to make sure you enter a promotional period when you're launching your Facebook page. So try to provide discounts for Facebook users when they get started, so they will be more enticed to keep on looking on your Facebook page. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to follow along with these methods and techniques that I showed in this video. And if you found them helpful, make sure to share them with someone you might think that may need these. Share them with your friends, with your family, with your cousins, and share them with any business partners that you might have. And it might help you guys a lot to know all of these techniques and to follow along. And if you enjoyed this video, I would recommend that you please leave a like. And if you have any questions regarding this video, regarding any other video, or regarding any social platform, then you can definitely ask me in the comments down below, and I will try to answer as soon as possible, because that is the point of our YouTube channel. I want to show you guys on how to glide through these platforms and how to easily navigate and fulfill the purposes that you want to do with these social platforms. And if you have any details that you might want to know, any suggestions, any improvements that you think that I could add on to these videos, then please do leave them in the comment box down below, and I will make future videos according to those. And if you have any specific topics that you look forward to, also leave those in the comment box down below, and I will try to make videos on those as well. And make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out other videos. And if you feel like some other video might be helpful to someone else, make sure to share our videos with your friends and family as well. And if you find that there is something missing, I will try to figure out a way to integrate more accurate content according to your needs onto the channel. So make sure to tell me if you find anything missing. So that was it for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.